Magandang araw ho sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga kaguruan, mga principals, supervisors, at sa lahat-lahat na included doon sa gagawing graduation ng mga ceremonies sa pagtatapos ng school year. So, Department of Education ay naglabas ho ng Department Memorandum number 27, Series of 2025. Tingnan ho natin kung ano ang laman ng memorandum na ito na naipalabas noong Biyernes, March 21, 2025. Ito ay signed ho ng Secretary of the Department of Education. So, ang tema ng End of School Year Rights, ito yung tema na susundin. Henerasyon ng pagkakaisa, kaagapay sa bagong Pilipinas. In English, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. So yan ho ang tema for this school year 2024-2025. So, para dyan, para sa mga gagawin ng mga graduation at moving up ceremonies, it should be simple but meaningful. Okay, so yun ho. So, mahigit na ipinagbabawal na pwede namang gawin ang mga ceremonies without excessive spending, without extravagant attire, and without extraordinary venue. So yun ho ang paalala ng Department of Education. Tapos, reminder sa lahat na non-academic projects para sa mga gagawin pa nila like field trips, film showings, junior high school promenade, and other events shall not be imposed doon sa mga graduation or sa mga completers or as a completion for requirements. Then, it's a again, the Department of Education is very strict to this, that for public schools, expenses relative to the activity for the graduation, recognition, or moving up ceremonies shall be charged against the school MOOE. So reminder ho sa lahat, mga principals, teachers, no DepEd personnel shall be allowed to collect any kind of contribution or fee for the graduation or moving up ceremonies. Okay? Magka-administrative case po tayo dito. So, again, no DepEd personnel shall be allowed to collect any kind of contribution or fee for the graduation or moving up ceremonies. That is in accordance with the no collection policy in all public elementary and secondary schools. Okay? Again, the certificate of completion or diploma, just follow what's stated in DepEd Order number 31, series of 2019. Then, a very timely reminder kasi darating ho ang eleksyon. All DepEd officials, including the third level officials, the teaching and the non-teaching personnel are strictly prohibited from engaging in any electioneering or partisan political activity in relation to the forthcoming 2025 national and local elections. Okay? So, yun ho, paalala ng mga taga-Department of Education. So, yan ho for the conduct of the end of school year rights for school year 2024 to 2025. So, kapag gusto niyo basahin lahat, just go to the DepEd website. You can browse it under DepEd Memorandum number 27 series of 2025. Magandang araw ho sa lahat.